Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and let's just talk a little bit about smoke alarms for a minute. Usually if the battery is going bad, you'll hear one beep, and that can happen every 5 minutes or however so often. And if you hear more than one beep, like 3 beeps or 5 beeps, that can sometimes mean that the smoke detector itself is bad and needs to be replaced. So research your actual brand that's in your home. Check the video description. I'll put some instructions to the one that I had. But listen to those beeps, and that's what it's telling you. Replace the unit itself. Or if you hear one beep every minute, then that would most likely be a bad battery. So first we'll discuss changing the battery. Most of the time it's a 9-volt battery like this, but it can be AAAs or others. And some of the new smoke alarms will come with an internal battery that lasts 10 years, and you can't change the battery. You have to replace the smoke alarm itself. So you'll come on a step ladder very carefully, open this door up, and now when you pull the battery out, they're kind of wedged in here, so don't drop it. But you want to pull it out and note the orientation. So see how the smaller one, which is the positive side, was closest to us? That's how you want to make sure the new battery goes back in. So get your new battery, make sure it's oriented the right way. So put it in the same orientation. It does go up into this cradle. You can see the flat part. So once it's fully seated, it rounds so it looks a little strange, but that's how it should look. Then close the door, and that should make the connection on it. So then when you close it, you should hear a beep as it's making contact. To finish, you always want to test it, so push the button and hold it. It will beep, and others that are compatible may also beep. So if you noticed on that, when this one beeps, you'll also hear the other ones in the house communicate to it. This one is a hardwired one, and the battery, the 9-volt, is like the backup for when the power goes out. Now we'll talk about replacing the smoke alarm itself. I had changed the battery, and it then kept beeping 3 to 5 times. So if you are looking into actually replacing it, turn the lights on near it in all the rooms and flip breakers till all of those are off. Then test the power at the source too to make sure that there's no power. This is where a professional may want to be involved to come rewire this and hardwire it into your house. If you're going to hardwire it, the power of the house must be off. It's like when you're putting in a new light fixture. But if you just unplug it, you might be able to just plug in a new one if it's compatible, and not have to worry about rewiring everything. But with the power off, it would be pretty easy like this just to disconnect it. And then you can take it. It's easier to clean it this way. If you buy the exact same one, replacement would be easy without a lot of wiring. You just plug it back in. But they do talk about using a vacuum to very carefully vacuum around it, more even when it's installed. But if you're gentle, we just want to make sure that it's clean so the sensor works. Even cleaning out, I used a little bit of compressed air to spray around in here. So once you plug the new one in, you can restore power. I ended up replacing my smoke alarm itself because even with new batteries, it was beeping 3 times. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have a full playlist of other videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.